Hi guys, this is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BK Moit Institutes. Happy Janmashtami to all. And today we are starting this reading questions. So you guys have asked me question number 1, second, and fourth. I'm just going to answer these questions one by one. And let's take it in the exam way. So yeah, the drug propranolol works by. So basically they are asking how propranolol works. The best drug for handling the performance anxiety is propranolol. So it is important. No, it is not important. Propranolol is used when there is anxiety. Okay, normally used to treat high blood pressure. Propranolol is a beta blocker. So how does it work? The question was, it works by means the mechanism. How does it work? So mechanism is given over here. It is a beta blocker, that is, it fools the beta receptor binding site into thinking the drug is adrenaline. Propranolol, so it, as it is a bit, please understand, it is a beta blocker. Beta blocker means if there is any site that is beta site, it blocks that site. So propanol, this is propanol. Propanol is blocking this beta blocker, and it fools the receptors. So receptor is fooled. Receptor thinks it is adrenaline. That is what it's saying. It fools the receptor binding site into thinking that the drug is adrenaline. So propanol is equal to adrenaline. So it fools. The structure of propanol is like adrenaline. So obviously it fools that site. So that is where if if propanol will bind this site, obviously it will not let the adrenaline bind to this site, because already it is blocked by propanol. So how does it work? By preventing adrenaline from adhering to receptors. Symptoms simple. Please understand. Again, I will do. It's a very simple question that we all should do with utmost pleasure and convenience. That is what I say. Reading is all about understanding. So it fools the beta receptor. This is the beta receptor into thinking that drug is adrenaline. So basically propanol will act as adrenaline. So what will happen? Then adrenaline cannot bind to receptor because receptor is already bound by propanol. So according to me, answer should be A. I am jumping on to the second question. Again, it should not take much time, guys. Which of the following statement is true? Okay, let's see which of the sort. So again read the question, then read the paragraph. So British Columbia attracts the highest number of South African physicians of all Canadian provinces. So Canada has many provinces. Out of that, one is British Columbia, other is Queensland. There are other provinces like Alberta. So British Columbia is one of the provinces where South African doctors go the maximum. Highest means superlative degree. That is what I call superlative, third degree, the highest, the greatest, the latest. So if I can find the plus any degree over here, then that would become my answer. But in these three options, the is not there, the latest, the highest is not there. So I have to read more. So basically, British Columbia attracts the highest number of South African physicians, has taken a step in the positive direction by sharing expertise in this through the Pelonomy project. So there is a project where British Columbia is helping British Columbia is helping because it has taken a positive step. Has plus third form means it has already taken a positive step in this project named as Pilonomy. Or at the university level, researchers and practitioners can contribute to this knowledge exchange by partnering with their colleagues in low-income countries. So what they are doing, so low-income countries mean countries like South Africa. So they are having a partnership. Such collaborations are essential. Also needed are intensified efforts to promote further integration of work safety. So the overall topic is that South African doctors are going maximum to British Columbia. Now they are having some kind of collaboration by the name of Pilonomy project. They are working for work safety and patient safety. To ensure that information system being developed support this goal, we need to promote evidence-based decision making. So information system should be able to promote this goal and share information who can benefit. That way, each region will need to find that way means by this collaboration. So if South Africa and British Columbia are working together in this way, each region means one region is South Africa, other is British Columbia. So each region will not need to find millions of dollars annually to design, implement and maintain separate system. So that this paragraph is saying that British Columbia and South Africa can work collaboratively. They can have a common information system. So they don't have to spend million of dollars separately on the separate system. So they can have it together. That could easily be shared and reproduced. So basically there is lot of money saving that happens through working together. Okay. Researchers and medical practitioners in low and high income countries have expressed a desire to work together. They have expressed a desire or they are already working. Maybe this can be answered, but there was like Canada has taken a step. So they have already taken a step, but then they can contribute. So it is talking about future. This is also talking about future. They have expressed a desire. Desire means that they are going to, that is why tenses are very important. Guys, I always talk about three things: degrees, adverbs, and tenses. These three things always help to solve all the reading questions, at least 90%. Now, if you can understand this tense, they have expressed a desire to work together. That means in future they will work together. So yeah, in future they will have this system. The only right was they have already taken a step. So that is why I'm not sure about this option because they have already taken a step. But at the same time, otherwise, all these lines are talking about future. Will not. So it can be my answer, but looking at first four lines, it should not be my answer. That is why where I say it can be correct as well as it can be wrong, I am not sure. So now I have to work elimination method. Improved safety of the health workers and patient is a priority. They talked about improved system, but they did not talk about priority. I don't think so any priority is given. I don't think so any priority word is given. Millions of dollars are needed to develop information system that can be shared. Even that is given. That million, which one is true? Millions of dollars are needed. Yes, are needed to develop information system that can be shared. That can be shared, but this is also correct. British Columbia, which attracts the highest number, has taken a step by sharing expertise. So they are already working. So they don't have expressed a desire, they are already working. So now I have to do this elimination. This is already eliminated. So C should be my answer because millions of dollars are needed. Yes, millions of dollars are needed to develop information system, to design, implement, and maintain that can be shared. Yeah, both the things are correct. So I'm confused between this question. That is where confusion happens in the final exam. So either A is correct or C is correct, but I am eliminating A because they have expressed a desire. No, 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 no. They are, I think, already working, has taken a step in this by sharing expertise at Universal, can contribute to this knowledge by partnering with their colleagues. Such collaborations are essential, also needed are intensified efforts, but they are talking about future as well. A and C both are correct. I'm unable to eliminate. Guys, can you help me? I need your help. First question, please tell me the answer is right that we have done. First was easier for me. If you can help me with the answer of first.
Yes, sir, first is right.
And second one, I just want to change the answer to be honest. But I don't know. But I also.
But sir, in the C option, they have given in the last second line that each reason will not need to find.
But ma'am, suppose if I say each region will not have to find separate system. That means separate system normally requires $1 million. That is what this sentence is saying. Million of dollars are needed. Yes, they are needed to develop information.
So it's
That
written that which each region will not need to find millions of dollars. Like in this line, it is written no, will not need to find millions of dollars annually.
according to you, answer is given as A.
No,
No,
sir, but
sir.
in the A option, they don't talk about high income. They have given on low income.
Low income only.
In paragraph, only low income is mentioned. And
Yes, sir,
in
they don't talk about
option,
high
both
income.
low and high incomes are
Do you
written
want to
there.
say that A is also wrong, C is also wrong, B is the answer?
Yes,
Yes.
sir.
Yes, sir, but yes, B is right, but they don't talk about priority.
Yeah, that's what I am saying. I have to do this again. But guys, again, see, A I can eliminate, but C should be the answer, yeah. I don't know why are you millions
So,
are required.
sir, it's written will not need to find millions of dollars.
No, sir,
So
Akash.
that's
Akash, please understand my point. I can understand your point. If C is not the answer, obviously you will say B is the answer. है ना? So then again, our brain is like that. It starts finding out the reason. Please try and understand. Once we know this is not the answer, na, then our brain will always say, "Oh my God, sir, this is happening because of this reason." But yeah, we can talk about this. First of all, I have to found the word priority. Let's see. Okay. First of all, they has taken a step, so I can understand they have expressed a desire. No, they have already taken a step. So this I can eliminate, no doubt. In this, I can see a word. This is not given. As I was just talking about adverbs, the annually word is not given. This I am considering, but I was not sharing it with you. That millions of dollars are needed annually to develop. So obviously we can eliminate this option. But what you are saying is not correct. Let me explain you. That will happen in the exam as well. Please understand. That way means by sharing the knowledge, please understand, by sharing the knowledge, each region will not need to find million of dollars annually. That means if they do not share the knowledge, then each region, if they do not share the knowledge, then each region will have to spend million of dollars annually. Isn't that correct? Suppose if they do not do collaboration, they will spend millions of dollars, na?
Yes, sir.
Everybody agrees. So this option is not wrong. Only elimination method can do that annually word is not given. Otherwise, this option is 100% matching. Because if they do not work together, then million of dollars are needed to develop that can be shared between. So basically, yeah, I can understand what you are saying. You are saying that millions of dollars are not needed to develop systems, but at last millions of dollars are required, yeah, obviously. But they don't have to spend it individually and annually. But otherwise, if they do not collaborate, obviously they have to spend millions of dollars. If they are together, that can be shared together. If they work together, so that can happen. So this option is not wrong as such, to be honest. But I want to find this word priority because I eliminated this word. Where is priority given? Okay, let's find it. That is where, again, this is what we are doing reading for, to learn that how to do in the final exam. Okay, let's see. British Columbia, which attacks higher provinces, has this. At the university, researchers can contribute to this by partnering there in low-income countries. Such collaborations are essential. Also needed are the to promote further investigation or integration of work and safety. To ensure that info system becomes support this, we need to promote decision way. It is not given here. I don't think so. I would have done C anyhow. Where is the answer?
So is intensified efforts can be a synonym for the priority?
But
Sir,
please, Maninder ma'am, you can also share.
sir, in the second option, worker and patient safety is given.
Yes, sir.
Aware?
Sir,
But
The line after such collaboration are essential.
guys, may please understand my point. What I'm saying again, when we see the answer, everything becomes correct. But again, this is wrong. Let me explain you. Also means that it is secondary. Always remember, when there is any point given, point number one is the main point. When I say also cannot be my priority. Please understand. Also needed are intensified efforts to promote further integration of work safety and patient safety. That means that we have to improve worker safety and patient safety together, further integration. And intensified efforts are required. So improved safety and health of worker is a priority. Yes, I can say it is a priority, but also means it is the second point, to be honest. But I have to eliminate this. Millions of dollars are needed to develop information system. Yes, millions of dollars annually are required. Develop word is not given, but design, implement, and maintain means develop. That can be shared. I find C is a very good option, guys. I don't know. Maybe I'm stuck today in this question, but I really believe C should have been the answer. First, also word can never be my priority. They are saying needed are intensified efforts to promote further integration. So I cannot say it is the main priority. Please understand this point. Also, word should not be my priority. Second thing, this is correct somehow, but they are saying if if two countries work together, then each country will not be required to spend millions of dollars. Means if the country do not collaborate, then they have to spend millions of dollars separately. So millions of dollars are needed. Yes, the millions of dollars are needed. That can be shared. Yes, that can be shared if they want to. So that is why I think C is correct, that millions of dollars are required to develop information system which can be shared between the two countries. Are you getting my point, guys? If I would have been you, I would have done C as the answer, to be honest.
Yes, sir.
I don't know why are you not understanding this point? Because I understand you have seen the answer. After answers, our mind stops working. But A is not the answer, because it is saying up in the A part, you are saying low countries, high countries are not given. Obviously, guys, at the university level, researchers and practitioners of high income countries can contribute to this knowledge by partnering with low income. So even if high income is given or not, they are talking about high and low. Please understand. So don't say high word is not given. The problem in this option is that in search have expressed a desire to, no, they are already working together. They have already taken a step. First thing, what I feel, priority also should not be my priority. It should have been priority means the main point, or should have been given is also a priority. Then I would have done it. Is also a priority? Yes, it is second priority. Millions of dollars are needed. Yes, if the countries do not work together, then millions of dollars are needed separately to develop the information system that can be shared together. So I don't find any reason of not doing C. I'm sorry. In the
Yes,
past,
sir.
I don't
Right.
know whether I have done B or not, but this today I feel like C is the better answer. So I'm sticking to C. And then you have asked me question number 4, and let's see. Question number 4 is not too good. It's not medical based question, so you don't have to worry about it. Otherwise, normally to learn from this question, proprietor means owner, which we do not know. Proprietor means owner of a company, proprietor. So non-proprietary means it is a non-commercial. Proprietor means it is a privately owned. So if this is saying it is a non-proprietor, so answer should be B. What is the answer given in this?
So B is the answer.
B, sir.
So
B
again,
is the
don't worry
answer.
about this question, because there is a word that is given. It is a non-proprietary information system. That means it is a non-commercial. Proprietor means owner of a company. Company means the company does business. Business means commercial. So non-proprietor means non-commercial, but it is not a medical based question, so you don't have to worry about that. This is Dr. Bhupesh from Dr. BKM OET Institute. Thank you, guys. But yeah, second question, I really believe today that second C should be the answer. Thank you.